Have you also been searching far and wide to find the best handheld tripod? The unboxing, as you can see, it's quite basic packaging. However, you do get the handheld tripod as well as a thumb screw to secure your action cam. Videos, I love this. I tried a cheap $10 mobile tripod. I've even tried a more expensive Joby mobile tripod. None of them actually seem to do what I want. So first things first, it's sort of the cheaper alternative to the GoPro Shorty. It fits snugly in your hand. It's not too big, so it's also not too small. It's just right. If you have an incredibly big hand, I have a fairly large hand, it fits my palm quite comfortably. If you have a super massive hand, it might be on the smaller side. So my first concern whenever getting a mobile tripod such as this one is the texture. So it's not the most rubberized grip, but it's also not completely plastic where your hand will easily slide off it. Now I do have an alternate tripod that's more or less the same size. It is the one that came with my DJI Osmo Action 3. So this one came with the gimbal itself. Side by side, they're more or less the same. The DJI is actually slightly bigger. Fits the hand perfectly. So like, obviously it's a selfie stick first, so you can hold it and then you can vlog with it. Next up, it is also a tripod. It locks in and you can actually use it as a tripod. And thirdly, it is a telescopic selfie stick. However, there is enough friction to keep this in place. I mean, I'm quite doing it really violently and things are still staying in hand. To be safe, I would suggest you connect a little lanyard so that you can have your wrist connected to it. It's perfect for travel usage. So if you're going on a hike or you're traveling and you need something light and that works, then this is your go-to mobile tripod. I would recommend this for an action cam. Obviously, it only comes with the action cam mount. You get different versions of this. This is the MT-09. I believe the 08 model comes with a quarter 20 thread on it so that you can connect a camera or your phone, a phone mount on it. But this is the action cam version. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I'm the Revenger's Hammer. Stay tuned. New videos are coming soon.